What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for stuffed poultry according to NYC food safety standards? A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. Stuffed poultry must reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure all pathogens are destroyed. What is the maximum number of hours ready-to-eat food can be held in the temperature danger zone, 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit? A. 2 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 6 hours. D. 8 hours. Answer: B. Ready-to-eat food may be held in the danger zone for no more than 4 hours before it must be discarded. Which of the following foods is considered a potentially hazardous, TCS, food? A. Dried pasta. B. Baked potato. C. Pickles. D. Rice cakes. Answer: B. Baked potatoes can support bacterial growth if not kept at proper temperatures, making them TCS foods. NYC Health Code requires food workers to wash hands after A. Touching clean utensils. B. Taking out the garbage. C. Wearing gloves. D. Touching aprons. Answer: B. Handling garbage contaminates hands. Hand washing is required immediately after. Cold food must be maintained at what temperature or below during holding? A. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. NYC Food Code mandates cold holding foods to be maintained at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. What is the correct sequence for hand washing? A. Water, soap, rinse, dry. B. Wet hands, apply soap, scrub, rinse, dry. C. Soap, water, rinse, dry. D. Scrub, rinse, soap, dry. Answer: B. Proper hand washing includes wetting, soaping, scrubbing, 20 seconds, rinsing, and drying. What is the minimum distance food must be stored off the floor? A. 2 inches. B. 4 inches. C. 6 inches. D. 8 inches. Answer: C. Food must be stored at least 6 inches above the floor to prevent contamination. NYC requires food handlers diagnosed with norovirus to A. Take antibiotics. B. Continue working with gloves. C. Report to supervisor and stay home. D. Wear a mask. Answer: C. Norovirus is highly contagious. Affected food workers must report and not work. Which metal is not recommended for food contact surfaces? A. Stainless steel. B. Aluminum. C. Copper. D. Lead. Answer: D. Lead is toxic and not safe for food contact. The term cross-contamination refers to A. Mixing ingredients incorrectly. B. Cooking foods together. C. Transfer of harmful microorganisms. D. Improper temperature control. Answer: C. Cross-contamination is the transfer of pathogens from one surface or food to another. What is the purpose of a food thermometer? A. To test pH. B. To measure surface temperature. C. To ensure food reaches safe internal temperature. D. To check humidity. Answer: C. Thermometers verify that food is cooked or held at safe internal temperatures. Which of the following is acceptable to wear when handling food? A. Wristwatch. B. Plain band ring. C. Medical gloves. D. Acrylic nails. Answer: B. The only type of jewelry generally allowed when handling food is a plain band ring, such as a wedding band. Other items like wristwatches, bracelets, and acrylic nails can harbor bacteria or fall into food, making them unsafe for food handling. In NYC, how often must food service establishments receive health department inspections? A. Monthly. B. Every 6 months. C. Once per year or more if needed. D. Every 2 years. Answer: C. Inspections are annual, but high-risk establishments may be inspected more often. What is the correct method for cooling hot foods quickly? A. Place in the freezer. B. Leave uncovered at room temperature. C. Use shallow containers and ice bath. D. Cover and refrigerate. Answer: C. Shallow pans and ice baths allow rapid cooling, reducing time in the danger zone. Sanitizing solution must be tested with A. A thermometer. B. A chlorine or quaternary ammonium test strip. C. A flashlight. D. A dipstick. Answer: B. Test strips verify that sanitizers are at proper concentrations for effectiveness. What should be done with food contaminated by a rodent? A. Cook it thoroughly. B. Reheat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Dispose of it immediately. D. Sanitize and reuse. Answer: C. Any food exposed to rodents must be discarded to avoid illness. The food protection certificate is required for A. All waiters. B. The manager or supervisor during all hours of operation. C. All cashiers. D. The owner only. Answer: B. NYC mandates at least one certified supervisor on premises at all times. What must be posted near all handwashing sinks in food service areas? A. Emergency contact sheet. B. Handwashing sign. C. Menu. D. Food temperature chart. Answer: B. A handwashing reminder sign is legally required to promote hygiene. Which foodborne illness is primarily linked to undercooked ground beef? A. Hepatitis A. B. E. coli. C. Salmonella. D. Norovirus. Answer: B. E. coli is often found in undercooked ground beef and can be deadly. The first in, first out method is used for A. Cooking order. B. Temperature checks. C. Stock rotation. D. Food labeling. Answer: C. FIFO ensures older food is used first to reduce waste and spoilage. Which is not a common food allergen? A. Peanuts. B. Shrimp. C. Lettuce. D. Milk. Answer: C. Lettuce is not one of the 8 major allergens recognized in food safety. Which cleaning agent is used to kill microorganisms on food contact surfaces? A. Soap. B. Degreaser. C. Sanitizer. D. Detergent. Answer: C. Sanitizers kill harmful microbes on surfaces that contact food. Food that has been held between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 4 hours must be A. Served quickly. B. Reheated. C. Frozen. D. Discarded. Answer: D. Food in the danger zone greater than 4 hours is no longer safe and must be thrown out. Which of the following practices helps prevent pest infestation? A. Leaving food uncovered. B. Using open trash bins. C. Sealing all wall cracks and gaps. D. Keeping lights on overnight. Answer: C. Sealing openings prevents entry points for pests like mice or roaches. A sick employee returns to work after vomiting. What is the next step? A. Monitor their temperature. B. Allow them to serve food. C. Exclude them for at least 24 hours symptom-free. D. Assign them to cleaning. Answer: C. NYC requires at least 24 hours symptom-free before returning to food handling duties.